Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add image borders to images in the website editor on Framer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your workspace on Framer, select the given website project to open it in the website editor, and navigate to the page with the image. I will go with this one here, for instance. So let me zoom in a bit. And what you want to do is left click into the given image. Navigate to that panel to the right, and here click into styles to expand in these menus here. And here under border, click into that field next to it and select, for example, the border color. Click into it, and I will go with, let us go with standard black. You may use that slider here, for example, to adjust the color, to pick the color you want, or enter the hex color code here. Or you may also apply transparent image borders by using that slider. So once that's done, return to the previous menu and adjust the border width. And you will see the result here to the left. Then you may switch between border and border per side. I don't know the exact difference, but I assume it would look like this, for example, right? So if you can adjust the border width for each side specifically by entering the value here. And then guys, you may choose also the border style. It will be set to solid on default, but you can go with dashed like this, dotted, and double. So guys, that's it. You can close that window. That's how you add image borders on Framer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.